Today, we're going to be fixing the little things that we talked about in the last video, as well as putting on these new wheels. I want to start with getting these stickers off, as well as the other items that we talked about in the last video.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that
You're gonna have letters all over your shop floor now.
trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
Yeah! Get that out of here! Get that out of here! Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. But before we put all of this on, I want to check the ground clearance before and after.
Okay, we got about 6 inches of ground clearance, and that's with the current coilover and wheel and tire setup.
Oh, I just threw this. I'm gonna sell these, so I don't want to just throw it. Now with those wheels out of the way, we're gonna get these BC Racing coilovers out of here. Jeez. All right, tool of choice. You really gone and broke these up. There we go. I think it was on pretty hard. Yeah, that was like almost full hard there. Very nice. All right. So it probably could have been softer if I just adjusted this, but OEM will probably be better.
Last one.
Ew. These are actually really nice coilovers, like usually for racing, stuff like that. These are actually pretty expensive, BC Racing coilovers. But yeah, this isn't a race car, so we're gonna get this a little bit more comfortable, get these out of here.
Tight at all.
What the? Hold on a second.
No, it's really going to be difficult.
Did so good on the last
I'll tell you what. See that?
Yeah.
Just bent that with my thumb.
It just broke off.
I just touched it. Look at it split. Holy crap, this thing is twisted up.
Also, this is the first time I've ever bought brand new wheels for myself.
Yeah.
So I'm like, this is really exciting. So I mean, nice new Koenigs, 17-inch. So light too. Woo! Look at that. Where people just have the wheels on, and I was always like, that's kind of weird, but they do it because as soon as you mount a tire on the wheel, then you can't return it anymore. So they're like, make sure you put it on first and make sure you like the way it looks, and then you can return it if you don't like it. So I'm just doing that because that's what everyone else does. But I'm like, I bought these because I like the way they look already.
Right through and pop that through.
Old wheel setup is 18-inch. I don't even remember the wheel size. It's gonna essentially be the same, but this setup is like more tire because it's a smaller wheel. And I like how much it sticks out too. Whereas like I feel like those wheels come out a lot more from the tire. So if you're like right up against the curb, you're not gonna get curb rash as easily.
That's a good looking wheel.
Yeah, that looks good. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, like front and rear. I can't wait to drop this down. Wow, that's so much higher. Now with the OEM suspension, let's see how much more higher the ride height is. I mean, you can already tell right away with just the wheel gap and then this here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, 10 inches. 10 inches, that's a whole 4 extra inches on there. After getting everything put together, it's time for an alignment.
Well, it might not be. Do we need some sauce? Everything into it. Yeah.
After making the final adjustments to the alignment, it's time for a test drive. This is already so much higher. Woo! Feel that? Oh, whoa. The steering is so much more responsive, actually. It's kind of funny when it's more lifted up like this, it doesn't feel as fast. Solid suspension is gonna make it feel like it's faster than it actually is. Just from that little stretch that we did, like it feels way slower. That's why people like to put coilovers on, because it makes your car feel faster even though it's actually not. This is very smooth and very comfortable. It's good. It's very, very good. This looks amazing. Seriously, a huge transformation. It's way more comfortable driving around, especially now that it feels more like it's my own car. Special thanks to my brother Gavin, as well as Roy's Auto, and my friend Mack for helping film everything. Now there's still some pretty big issues that absolutely need to be taken care of, but that's gonna have to wait until next time.
Get that out of here. We don't want any of that mess. Dude, they even left the brake lines attached for you.
Yes!
Nice.
But before we put all of this on, I want to check the glout. But before we put all this on, I want to check the glout. Ground clearance.
Oh, drink there. Fresh rubber. Fresh rubber.
Yeah, why did you put it up like this?
Why didn't you put it down?
You're the one that brought it over here.
Those are going nowhere.
I could end his whole career.
I really know nothing about cars.